In our last video, we left off completing assignment 4 from PBL 2, which is the technical brief parts 4 through 6. In assignment 4, we calculated the sliding price scale for 100 pounds of bananas, right? The original purchase price that we bought the bananas for was 30 cents per pound. So we spent $30 on 100 pounds of bananas. We then were able to sell them at 60 cents per pound for full price, and we reduced that to a 40% discount after 5 days, because we know that the bananas start to kind of brown after the 5 days. And so we were able to sell them for the browning bananas for 36 cents per pound. So we did the math. We were able to sell 75 pounds of bananas at full price, and we were able to sell 17.5 bananas at the discounted price once they started browning. So now we have to calculate the store's profit. Okay, so we know that the grocery store purchased 100 pounds of bananas for $30. Okay, we know that the grocery store sold 75 pounds of bananas for 60 cents per pound. So let's see how much did the grocery store make for the full price bananas. So 75 times 0.60 equals $45. So selling 75 pounds at full price for 60 cents per pound, they made $45. Then we know that after the 5 days, they had to sell them at a 40% discount. And so that means that we had to take off some money from the 60 cents. So we were able to sell them for 36 cents. We sold 17.5 pounds at the price of 36 cents. And so we made, let's do the math for that. 17.5 times 0.36. We made $6.30. So in total, we made $45 plus $6.30. So in total we made $6.30 plus $45. That's $51.30. So we made $51.30 total. Now, in order to figure out the profit, we have to subtract the amount that we spent buying the bananas from the amount that we made. So if we do the math and we subtract, we do 51.30 minus $30, we come up with 51.30 minus $30, we come up with $21.30. So this is our profit here, okay? So the profit is $21.30. And that's how you calculate how much we made. Now, let's take a look at part 5. How did developing your key business proposition and related business models type affect your process? So let's see. We always want to answer our questions in a complete sentence. So developing my key business proposition and related business model type helped me determine how much I could earn selling the bananas I purchased, even after they started to turn brown. It also helped me determine how much of the bananas I would waste, since I couldn't sell them at the full price or the discounted price. So doing this, right, this formula, it let me know that I would end up being able to sell quite a bit. I would end up making a $21.30 profit, and then I would only waste 7.5 pounds of bananas from the 100 pounds of bananas that I purchased. So that's not that bad. That's actually a pretty small amount in comparison to what I bought. How well do you think your solution will work under real world conditions? I think that it will work fairly well, and I think it will work fairly well because people like to save money at the grocery store, and they won't have a problem eating bananas that are still safe and healthy to eat, especially if they can buy them at a discounted rate. And so that's how you basically complete assignment number 4, going through the steps of the sliding price scale and answering questions part 5 and 6, the questions associated with part 5 and 6. So after you complete these steps, you're basically done with assignment number 4 of PBL 2.